Hello friend, today we will discuss the problem on the spherical balls and bowl. So let us see the problem. The problem is that a spherical ball A of mass 1 kg released from the rest slide down the surface of smooth bowl and strike another spherical ball B of mass 0.25 kg resting at the bottom of the bowl. Determine the height h from which ball A should be released so that after the impact ball B just leave the bowl. The coefficient of restitution may be assumed as 0.8. This is the figure is given. In this figure, this is the bowl and there are two balls, spherical balls. This is a ball A, this is a ball B. So this ball B at the bottom of the bowl, and we have to keep this ball A at a such height h so that when the ball, spherical ball A is released, it will impact the ball B and ball B will move forward and it will just leave this bowl. It will just leave this bowl. So we have to keep this ball A at such a height that when we release the ball A, so it will strike the ball B and ball will be just leave this bowl. So we can take this one of example. This is the bowl, and this bowl having this ball A. So we have to place the ball A at a such height that when we release this ball A, so this ball B at the bottom, so it will strike the ball B and ball B will be just leave the bowl. So let us see. So when the ball A is releasing from the height h, we have to find the height h. So we have to place the ball A at a such height. So when ball A is releasing, means ball A is moving, at that time ball B is at the rest condition. When the ball A is moving, so ball B is in the rest condition, means initial velocity of this ball B, initial velocity of ball B is equal to UB is equal to 0. Then what is the initial velocity of ball A? We can write under root 2gh. Why it is h? Because it is releasing from the height h. That is why we are taking h. Then you can see another side of the bowl. The height is given. What is the height? 0.3 meter. Means ball B has to cover the height 0.3 meter to fall from the bowl. Ball B has to cover the height 0.3 meter to fall from the ball. So this will be the final height achieved by the ball B. So final height means we can find the final velocity also of ball B. So final velocity of ball B, VB is equal to, we can write under root 2g multiply by, what is the height covered? 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter. So what is the value? 2.426 meter per second. Means final velocity of ball B is equal to 2.426 meter per second. So what is the final velocity of ball A? We will represent it by VA, that we will be fine. That will be fine. So we all know the law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. MA multiply by UA plus MB multiply by UB is equal to MA multiply by VA plus MB multiply by VB. MA is the mass of ball A, UA is the initial velocity of ball A, MB is the mass of ball B, UB is the initial velocity of ball B, MA is the, again we all know, mass of ball A, final velocity of ball A, mass of ball B, and final velocity of ball B. Now just put the respective values. So what is the MA? MA is given in the problem. MA is equal to 1 kg. So just put 1. Initial velocity that of ball A we had right there under root 2gh. So under root 2gh plus. So this initial velocity of ball B is 0. So let us put this complete term will become 0 is equal to MA is 1. What is the VA? VA we have to be find out, plus MB is equal to, what is given value of MB? 0.2. So 0.2 kg multiplied by VB we had find 2.426 meter. When we rearrange all the terms, so we will get equation number 1, that is VA minus under root 2gh is equal to minus 0.6065. This will be our equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. Then we all know coefficient of restitution. Small e is equal to VB minus VA upon UA minus UB. So coefficient of restitution E is given in the question. What is the value of E? 0.8 is given. So let us put all the respective value. So 0.8 is equal to, what is the value of VB? 2.426 minus VA, that we have to be find out. So UA is equal to under root 2gh. So UB is a 0. Rearrange the term, you will get the equation number 2, VA plus 0.8 under root 2gh is equal to 2.426. This is equation number 2. So we are having two equation 1 and equation 2. So we can solve this as a simultaneous equation. When we solve these two equation as a simultaneous equation, we will get the value of VA. We will get the value of VA is equal to 1.078 meter per second. So we get the value of VA when we solve the equation 1 and 2 as a simultaneous equation, and we get again the value of under root 2gh is equal to 1.684. that value we had obtained. Then squaring both the side, we will obtain two roots, VA and under root 2gh, because this two equation, this is VA, this is under root 2gh. So this is the simultaneous equation. So we have two values, so VA and under root 2gh. So under root 2gh is equal to 1.684. so squaring both the side, so when we square both the side, so this square root will be removed. It will become 2gh is equal to 1.684 square. So when we solve this, we get h is equal to, h is equal to 0.144 meter, means h is equal to 14.4 centimeter. So this is the height we are obtained. This is the height we had obtained, 14.4 centimeter. Okay, thank you.